मुझे ओ मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया पलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के Sing along. दुनिया तेरा मेरा फसाना वो मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है कभी दूर तू न जाए तेरे बिना हो जीना वो दिन कभी ना आए वो मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है कभी दूर तू न जाए तेरे बिना हो जीना वो दिन कभी संग जीना Sing! याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा फसाना बोलो संग तेरे जैसा यार था तेरे जैसा यार का ऐसा यार याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा Deepu Medical College and Hospital and Joshua Vedka. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this beautiful moment, everyone. Thank you so much. So let me introduce with the band. Can we introduce the band with you? Would you like to meet them? So on the drums, let's begin with the drums. On the drums, we have Mr. Raj Nandi on the drums. Let's have a big round of applause for Raj, everyone. And on the percussions, we have Mr. Pranav Bhattacharya. Let's have a big round of applause for Pranav, everyone. Thank you so much. On the bass guitar, we have the beautiful red, the dear bassist, Mr. Amtu. Let's have a big round of applause for Amtu, everyone. Thank you so much. On the guitar, we have Mr. Ricky Datta with a broken heart and a broken string. On the keyboard, we have the beautiful with an overhead earphone. His name is Mr. Yasdeep Das. Let's have a big round of applause for Yasdeep, everyone. Thank you so much. I'm the vocalist of Just Another Band. My name is Edip Imon. We are Just Another Band, and our beloved dearest sound engineer, the front of house, Mr. Pritam Nath. Let's have a big round of applause for Mr. Pritam Nath. Thank you so much. With this lovely visual artist, Mr. Jit Das Gupta on the stage. Thank you so much. And the sound and lights. Please let's have a big applause for this beautiful sound. Kishore. The sound and lights, Kishore, by Kishore, everyone, please. Kishore from all the way from Guwahati. Let's have a big round. They're supporting us through this journey. They have been to Jatinga Festival and straight from Jatinga, the sound and lights is over here. So let's have a big round of applause, everyone, please. For Kishore from Guwahati, the sound and light by Kishore.
फाइनल लेकर आए